I chose this topic because I'm interested in understanding the ways music influences our bodies and minds. Also, listening to music is a part of my daily routine, and learning this will make me understand my own physical and mental state. This topic is relevant in the world today because, in our modern world, due to the widespread ownership of cellular devices, which have greatly simplified the way people listen to music, the ability to access music through these devices has become ingrained in everyday life, making it a convenient and integral part of contemporary society. Question number 1. Can music be used as a tool to enhance cognitive performance, productivity, and creativity in various tasks? Music makes life better in so many ways. It elevates mood, reduces stress, and eases pain. Music is heart healthy because it can lower blood pressure, reduce heart rate, and decrease stress hormones in the blood. It also connects us with others and enhances social bonds. Music can even improve workout endurance and increase our enjoyment of challenging activities. Also, based on recent studies, it suggests that music may enhance cognitive function and promote healthy aging. Engaging with music involves a rich interplay of auditory, motor, and cognitive functions, activating various brain regions simultaneously. These activities create robust neural connections and enhance brain function. Question number 2. What role does music play in memory formation and retrieval, and how is it used in therapeutic contexts for individuals with memory disorder? Music engages various areas of the brain, including those associated with memory and emotion, like the hippocampus and the prefrontal cortex. Studies have shown that music doesn't just help us retrieve stored memories, it also helps us lay down new ones. A tune connected to an event or information forms a kind of soundtrack which, then replayed, can spark a recollection which can be seen in dementia-diagnosed patients. People with dementia can undergo music therapy, which is a valuable tool that can help them with their memories. Also, music helps our brain with muscle memory by singing, playing an instrument, dancing, or just tapping our feet. Word or language memory with lyrics and rhyme. Visual memory by sheet music or piano keys. And lastly, emotional or music memory, especially if it's linked with pleasure, is very strong and can be easier to retrieve than other kind of memory. Music provides a way to exercise your brain. It's like a full body workout for your brain, covering auditory, visual, and motor functioning. It elicits feeling and emotions from a particular period of your life. Naturally, the period of your life when you listen to specific music. Question number 3. What are the differences in brain activity when listening to different genres or styles of music, and how do individuals' preferences shape these responses? What you listen to and how it makes you feel may actually impact how you see and navigate the world. Furthermore, different genres of music affect the brain in different neurons to fire, calling up specific sets of memories and giving rise to disparate wells of emotion. In a recent study, they found out that if you are bimusical, you tend to engage a larger network of the brain. People primarily choose to listen to music that they like, such as country, rock, or classical. When listening to strongly preferred music, people report they often experience deeply personal, often unsolicited and emotionally laden thoughts and memories. People listen to music in order to improve their performance on certain tasks, simulate their own emotional states with the goal of achieving a desired mood state. Given that mood states are closely related to our personality, and given that people use music for emotional regulation. Question number 4. How does music influence mood, stress levels, and overall well-being? As observed through neuroscientific studies, listening to music can be entertaining, and some research suggests that it might even make you healthier. Music can be a source of pleasure and contentment, but there are many other psychological benefits as well. Music can relax the mind, energize the body, and help people manage pain better. The psychological effects of music can be powerful and wide-ranging. It promotes emotional health, help patients cope with stress, and boost psychological well-being. Listening to music affected the autonomic nervous system, shown to beneficially affect stress-related physiological as well as cognitive and emotional, effective in suppressing a stress-related increase in cortisol. Music can reduce anxiety, blood pressure, and pain. Also improve sleep quality, mood, mental alertness, and memory. Question number 5. How does the brain process music, and what are the key regions and neural pathways involved? Researchers have discovered that the brain does not have one special place to analyze music. Instead, different parts of the brain handle different aspects of a song. Music is wired directly into our feelings. Once the nerves deliver musical signals inside the skull, the brain goes to work. The temporal lobe is the part of the brain that processes what you hear. It is located on the bottom half of the brain, just below your ears. The portion of the temporal lobe in the left hemisphere focuses on interpreting words and language. The portion in the right hemisphere is more centered on the music and sounds. Here in the picture you can see the frontal lobe, which influences our cognitive process. Also the cerebellum, which helps process and regulate rhythm and timing. The question that interested me the most is, what role does music play in memory formation and retrieval? And how is it used in therapeutic contexts for individuals with memory disorder? This interests me the most because I found out that music is a powerful tool to have. Based on my research, some use music therapy because it actually helps with people who have severe memory illness. Also, music therapy has been shown to improve thinking, feeling, perception, mood and behavior. Dementia and Alzheimer's are good examples of memory loss diseases that music can help. In this research I learned that music not only improves our mood and makes us entertained but also helps with serious mental health stuff. I learned that music is a powerful tool for our brain, which can result to positive or negative outcomes based on how we use it. It can make us calm and relaxed, but it can also make us feel depressed and emotional. Here are the websites with the information that I used for this research, which you can also benefit from.